Welcome to FireEater College. This tutorial has been put together in order to help you navigate through the FEC portal and its content with ease and efficiency. Before you begin, please ensure that you are running the most up-to-date version of your web browser. You will have earned access to the FEC site automatically when you are newly enrolled into the secure area of the FireEater website. You log in by clicking on the Sign In link at the top right-hand side of the website. When you have successfully logged in, you will land on your profile page where you will see a portal navigation bar. FEC is accessed by clicking the FEC option, and this will bring you to our list of courses. There are 2 courses available, and you can only be enrolled to either by a course teacher or FEC administrator. Both courses yield a certificate, however these cannot be awarded unless all lessons within the course are completed successfully. Your coursework must be approved by your course teacher before you will be given access to the certificate area. Click on the blue link where you will find the option to enroll. Click on Enroll. This will bring you to the FEC portal and immediately into your Edit Profile area. Here you can add your address, time zone, give a brief description of yourself, and even add an image. You must add your company's name. Please ensure that this is correct as it will appear on your certificate. Don't forget to update your profile when you are done. Once your profile is updated, you are taken to your Preferences page, where you can access your profile, change your password, etc. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will notice navigation options. Click on Dashboard. Here, you will find your course tracker. You have successfully enrolled in your first FEC course. In the next tutorial, you will be walked through site navigation and taking a course.